Why did you bolt it to the thing? And that stuff like this. Okay.
We know quality matters. That's why our engagement rates are number 9.
Good work, guys.
Hey, what's up, guys? So, I've got the deck sanded now. I think I'm about ready to do some fairing. I've got it completely sanded except for a couple spots. I'm gonna have to do some detail sanding over here, but I'll come back to that later. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to do a layer of fairing compound on these patches I did. replace some core here. And on this side as well. So I'm going to see about getting some fairing compound on there, see how it looks. Alright, here's my first coat of fairing. It's not pretty by any means, but we'll make once this is sanded down, the next coat will go on a lot easier and smooth out a lot better. Alright, well, I got the second coat of fairing compound on there. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna have a lot of sanding to do, but should be getting pretty close after this. I'm definitely gonna have to come back and fill in some of these pinholes that popped up on me. So hopefully I can get this painted in the next few days. I'm just gonna come back and touch up some of these small spots. I don't think I'm gonna have to do any more big coats of the fairing stuff anymore. So I'll just come back and touch up any small spots and then sand it down one more time, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint the deck with it's a barrier coat. I'm just like a 2-part epoxy paint. I'm gonna do a couple coats of that and then figure out what I'm gonna do for the top coat. Ooh.